Aging is a complex, multi-system process affecting nearly every organ and tissue in the body. As scientists investigate ways to slow or even reverse aspects of aging, one molecule has consistently emerged as a central hub in the biology of longevity: NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. NAD is essential for energy production, DNA repair, stress response, and cellular signaling, and its decline with age has been implicated in the progressive loss of function in multiple organs. Recent research suggests that restoring NAD levels through precursors like nicotinamide riboside (NR), nicotinamide mononucleotide (NMN), and other vitamin B3 derivatives may represent a universal strategy to maintain health across organs, supporting the liver, kidneys, brain, skin, heart, and more, all at once. The liver, as the body's metabolic hub, requires vast amounts of NAD to process nutrients, detoxify chemicals, and regulate glucose and lipid metabolism. Age-related declines in liver NAD compromise these processes, contributing to insulin resistance, fatty liver, and impaired detoxification. Supplementing with NAD precursors has been shown in preclinical and early human studies to enhance mitochondrial function in liver cells, improve lipid handling, and reduce oxidative stress. This translates into more efficient energy use and healthier systemic metabolism, supporting overall vitality and reducing risk factors for diabetes and cardiovascular disease. The kidneys, another energy-intensive organ, rely on NAD to maintain filtration, electrolyte balance, and detoxification. Declining NAD is associated with increased oxidative stress, accumulation of toxic metabolites, and inflammation, all of which accelerate kidney damage. Emerging research in metabolomics indicates that NAD restoration may reduce these toxic byproducts, enhance mitochondrial performance in renal cells, and slow functional decline. By supporting kidney energy metabolism and resilience, B3 precursors could help maintain systemic homeostasis, benefiting blood pressure regulation and metabolic balance across the body. In the brain, NAD is critical for neuronal energy, synaptic function, and neuroprotection. Low NAD is linked to cognitive decline, neurodegenerative diseases, and impaired mitochondrial function in neurons. Clinical and preclinical studies have shown that NAD precursors can improve cerebral blood flow, enhance mitochondrial efficiency, and reduce markers of neuroinflammation. By providing neurons with the energy and repair capacity they need, NR and NMN may help preserve memory, cognitive clarity, and resilience against age-related neurological stressors. These effects are particularly encouraging because cognitive health is intimately connected with mobility, metabolic regulation, and overall quality of life in aging populations. Skin, our largest organ, also benefits from NAD restoration. Age-related NAD decline contributes to reduced DNA repair, impaired barrier function, and slower cellular turnover, leading to wrinkles, dryness, and reduced resilience to environmental stress. Supplementing with NAD precursors has been shown to enhance skin repair, improve hydration, support collagen synthesis, and reduce oxidative damage. These effects not only have cosmetic significance, but also reinforce the skin's role as a protective barrier, supporting systemic health and immune defense. The cardiovascular system is another critical beneficiary. NAD supports endothelial function, arterial flexibility, and mitochondrial energy in cardiac tissue. Declining NAD contributes to arterial stiffening, reduced blood flow, and increased cardiovascular risk. By boosting NAD levels, research indicates improved arterial compliance, reduced oxidative stress, and better mitochondrial performance in heart muscle cells. These changes may reduce the risk of age-related cardiovascular disease while enhancing overall endurance and energy availability. What makes NAD restoration particularly compelling is that it addresses the root of cellular energy decline and DNA repair across multiple organs simultaneously. Unlike therapies that target a single tissue or symptom, NAD precursors act on fundamental biological processes shared by nearly every cell type. This multi-organ support could provide synergistic benefits. Improving liver metabolism reduces systemic inflammation, healthier kidneys better regulate electrolytes and blood pressure, enhanced brain energy supports hormonal and metabolic control, and stronger cardiac function improves circulation and nutrient delivery. Even the skin participates in this network, reinforcing barrier function and mitigating oxidative stress that could otherwise affect internal organs. Early human studies with NR and NMN have shown that these precursors are well tolerated and capable of raising NAD levels systemically, demonstrating measurable improvements in metabolic flexibility, muscle mitochondrial function, cardiovascular markers, and cognitive measures. While long-term, large-scale clinical trials are still underway, the existing evidence paints a picture of a strategy that could help maintain resilience across the body, slowing the functional decline that accompanies aging. The optimism surrounding NAD restoration stems from its universality and biological logic. By supporting the shared machinery of energy production, DNA repair, and cellular stress response, NAD precursors have the potential to preserve organ function, enhance vitality, and reduce vulnerability to multiple age-related diseases at once. Instead of focusing on isolated symptoms, this approach targets the very foundation of cellular health, offering the possibility of a more integrated, systemic approach to aging. In the future, combining NAD precursors with lifestyle interventions such as exercise, balanced nutrition, and sleep optimization could amplify these benefits, creating a comprehensive, multi-organ strategy to extend health span, maintain independence, and improve quality of life well into older age.